if you don't, I'm Kweenpin King. You're watching what? Kweenpin Entertainment. Welcome back, Kweenpin crew. I'm back with another lit video for you today. I am super excited because this hair is so freaking nice. I have been waiting to do a review on hair like this for a long time. I got sent this hair and I get to do a review on it, y'all. I think it's gonna look so good on my skin tone. I think it's gonna look so good. Just from the package alone, the hair looks really nice. It looks full, it looks thick, and so I'm just so excited to get to do it. Alright guys, so this hair was sent to me by Meicit store on Amazon, and when I say this hair is so beautiful, so cute, it looks just like the picture. And you know, a lot of the sellers, they have a picture and it won't look exactly like it. It'll look like similar, but this hair looks like spot on. As you see, I'm wig cap ready, just getting prepped to install this hair. I am going to put a link or just show you guys what it looks like on the side. You guys know how I do. But before we get into the rest of the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you can see when the Kweenpin is posting. Don't forget to follow me on my socials. I don't think I'm gonna do an install on camera. I know I haven't done one for you guys in a while, but if you guys are interested in seeing me install the hair, please comment down below that you want to see more installs and not just reviews. But I am going to be installing it for my TikTok, so make sure you guys follow me on my TikTok so you guys can see the actual install process or something like that. It's probably going to be a little sped up or a little jumpy, but you guys know. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's rate this hair. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like fresh out the package. Then I'm going to install it and come back and show you guys how it looks with a face, like with a full face, and maybe an outfit change, I don't know, but just to let you guys see what it actually looks like. So first things first, it came in a bag like this. It actually came in another little bag with like pink on top, but it did not come in a silk bag. But it's really nice. Okay, so let's just show you what it comes with first. First things first, wig caps as always. And it came with a pink elastic band. Thank you guys. I can always use these because I'm always losing these. So I really appreciate the band. And it's my favorite color, so who doesn't love that? It also came with an elastic band that you could sew onto the wig just in case you want it to be like glueless or adhere better. You know, it came with one of those. And next up is the actual hair itself, guys. Okay, so they sent me 24-inch body wave. I am so geeked to do this right now. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, fresh out the package, it smells really good. They have like a little aroma tablet and it makes it smell amazing, so I think that's really nice. Hey, can we just take a moment to appreciate this wig right now? Fresh out the pack, it is so full. Like, get it closer, look. I think I lied when I said some of the other stuff with the best hair quality I ever got. This so far has been the best hair quality I ever got in a wig, and I'm not lying. I'm not. Just for me personally. It seems like the wigs I've been getting have been getting better and better and better since I've been receiving them, and I just feel so appreciative. When they said pre-plucked, they meant it, okay? They were not playing. They said, it's pre-plucked for real. You don't even got to do too much. I mean, of course, lots of people always want to go back and pre-pluck it, but you don't have to. And also, the hair, I'm not going to go back and bleach the knots because a lot of it looks like you don't even have to bleach it. So that's good. I think they really did pre-bleach this. This is the best quality wig I've ever gotten so far. So thank you guys so much, Meicit Hair. You guys are amazing. It's almost a full 13 by 4. Let me just show you. First impressions, this is a 10, okay? This is a 10. This hair is glorious. It's soft. It's actually full. It's true to length. Like, this is going to be some inches on me. So I'm excited to actually install this. The color is really good. It looks very similar to the pictures. Like, this hair is perfect. And it's so affordable, guys. 24 inches, $119. And they have a $20 coupon. Like, that is so affordable. So if you go right now, you can apply a $20 coupon, which only puts this hair at like $99. You cannot go wrong with that. 24 inches for $99, and it's pre-colored, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, like, and actually all of that stuff. No, like, you're not getting these types of deals. You're just not. You have to get this hair, because if you could feel this hair right now, if you could feel this hair, and it smells good. Like, everything with this wig is literally so perfect. I'm actually gonna go install this. Like I said, first impressions, it's a 10 off rip. It's perfect. Mind you, these are not paid sponsorships. Like, this is my actual opinion. So this hair is very lovely. Like, I love it. Okay, guys, I am back. And let me tell y'all, I am loving this hair. Meicit Hair, y'all did that. Y'all did that. When I say, I know y'all heard me say, oh, this is the best quality I got so far, this is the best wig. Look, y'all, they've all been replaced. All of them. Every single one of them. Because Meicit Hair, y'all did that. First of all, let's give it a round of applause for the movement. Let's give it a round of applause for the movement, for the length, for the color, and for the lace. Like, the lace melted. It's like everything that they said they were, it's almost like that's what they were. For $99.99, okay, just $100, this is not bad at all, guys. Like, when I say I can't stop touching it, I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror. Like, in my I'm not perfect at installs, so this might not be the best install ever, so I might not be doing this the justice that it deserves. But when I say that this hair deserves all the justice in the world, it deserves a full round of applause. I mean, this hair is so nice. This is a 10. It broke the scale. It's a 15, actually. This hair is so good. It moves. It's bouncy. It holds shape. It holds heat really well. It really does hold the heat. And I had that thing cranked up to like 4 something, okay? So it holds the heat really well. It lays pretty good. I didn't pluck it. I didn't shape it or anything. I just cut the weave down and put me a little part in. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't do anything crazy to this hair besides put a part in it and add a little mousse to hold it down. But it's just, I can't get over it. Like, I keep looking at myself. Like, this is some hair you want to wear on a vacation. This is hair you want to wear if you really, really trying to look like that girl. If you're really trying to look cute, definitely throw this on and go. Like, it laid down so easy. This was one of the easiest installs I even did. So thank you guys so much again for sending me this hair. And if you like this hair, leave a comment down below. If you like this color on me, if you think it does me justice, or I do the hair justice, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you can see when the Kweenpin is posting. Be sure to follow Meicit Hair on their Instagram and on their Amazon storefront. I will link both in the description, and they will also be somewhere around here, because guys, y'all did the damn thing. So yeah, thank you guys so much again for tuning in. And you guys know I love you and I adore you, and you guys are the best, and you guys are the reason I keep doing this. So let me know down in the comments what other videos you want to see. If you want to see more reviews, if you want to see an actual install, which you can see the install to this hair on my TikTok. So don't forget to follow me on my socials as well. And if you guys want to see more hauls, beauty videos, what do you want to see? I am here to deliver, okay? If you know me, you know what I say. If you don't, I'm Kweenpin K, and thank you so much for watching Kweenpin Entertainment. Kweenpin out.